1,320 feet below sea level, in the lowest place on Earth, one can find the liveliest sight, the Dead Sea. With an average of 330 full sunny days a year and oxygen-rich atmosphere, the Dead Sea is a precious jewel of healing and relaxation for people worldwide.
Close your legs.
The Dead Sea is up to 10 times saltier than the oceans, enabling people to float, but fish are not able to sustain life in its waters. The rapid water evaporation creates dramatic saline formations. The Dead Sea contains a high concentration of minerals that have seeped from the rocks and soil and have been carried by springs to the Dead Sea, which has no outlet. Minerals such as magnesium, calcium, potassium, and iron are known for their ability to calm aching muscles and joints, stimulate natural circulation, smooth and soften the skin, and help relieve stress and tension. The sulfur-rich black mud is another reason why people from all over the world come to experience the Dead Sea wonders. The Dead Sea black mud is a homogeneous mixture of Dead Sea minerals, important organic elements from the shoreline, as well as sulfurous earth, all which have proven their therapeutic effects on both body and spirit.
It's really relaxing, really relaxing.
The marvelous properties of the Dead Sea have been treasured since the days of King Solomon and Queen Cleopatra. Its minerals and mud have been extracted over the years to produce perfumes, medicine, and cosmetics. Established in 1982, Paloma Dead Sea was the first company to develop and market Dead Sea cosmetics under the Jericho brand name and as private labels. Paloma products are used by satisfied customers worldwide, including corporations such as Hilton International and Wella Cosmetics. Paloma offers an extensive line of skincare, spa, hair care, and therapeutic products, all based on Dead Sea minerals and plant extracts. Jericho Natural Skincare products help revitalize and restore softness to the skin, reduce visible signs of aging, and soothe skin irritations. The Jericho facial product line is formulated with top quality ingredients to keep your skin looking better than ever. The Jericho Spa line includes salt scrubs and mud wraps with aromatic oils for both professional and personal use. Jericho Natural Hair Care products contain a unique composition of active minerals that nourish your scalp and keep it healthy. Dermatologically tested, Jericho's Dr. Kremer therapeutic line offers treatment for a variety of chronic skin disorders. Paloma products fully comply with ISO standards, are not tested on animals, and contain no animal ingredients. Quality assurance includes operational procedures, testing methods, and specifications that are fully documented and controlled. From body and facial scrubs, bath salts and soaps, to mud wraps and peeling masks, Jericho products combine essential minerals with natural ingredients, which bring the Dead Sea treasures into your home.